Hello everyone, welcome to Infinet 360, I'm Kishore. In this video I'm going to tell you about what precautions to be taken by employer after lockdown for running of manufacturing plants. First, we all must understand why this lockdown was implemented. The core objective of lockdown is to avoid spread of viruses, which happens when a person carry any kind of symptoms. We have listed the following precautions to be taken by employer after lockdown for running of manufacturing plants. 1. Prepare the list of standard instructions to be followed by each associate of the organization. 2. Get the list of instructions validated by health and factory authorities. 3. Take a permission from government authorities by producing your action plan on health and safety of associates in the factory. 4. Take the suggestions from all employees using any media, WhatsApp, SMS, in offline and prepare the standard precautions lists. 5. Prepare some educational videos, handouts, posters, messages and circulate to all the employees using social, electronic media. 6. Try to buy and stock sufficient masks, medical aids, sanitizers and train all supervisors on usage of the same. 7. Create a standard path that contains the sanitizing machine which ensure the every employee wash their hands and then move forward into planned premises. 8. Try to pass all the masks and provide training, instructions to each transportation vehicles, so that they can train each associate before they enter into premises. 9. Make sure that every employee screen thoroughly using temperature check. 10. Also, don't bring all employees once and try to divide as one batch per day so that you will have enough time to train each batch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe, like, comment and share this to your friends and other contacts.